Welcome to 2530 Ravenswood View here in Airdrie. This beautiful two-story has 3 bedrooms up, one being the primary, giving us a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite. Main floor has 9-foot ceilings, built-in speakers, gas fireplace, bottom-up, top-down blinds. Basement's fully finished, giving us 3 full baths, 1 half. We've got a wet bar in the basement with beverage cooler, south rear-facing yard with an oversized double detached garage that has 240-volt power. Come take a look.